Morning. Welcome back to the Porsche. And yeah, so today I thought I'd do something a little bit different and go with the 5 things. Oh, it's cold in here. 5 things that I like best about my 924. We're going to get onto 5 things I don't like about my 924, and we're also going to get onto 5 things that I need to desperately fix about my 924. But first of all, 5 things I like about my 924. Well, as you just seen in the intro, they love putting their name on the car. It is everywhere, and why not? It's one of the best brands out there. So I really love this little car. The plan is to do this one up, keep this one. There's a connection between this one. This was built 35 years to the day before my little girl was born. So this won't be going anywhere when it's done, but I will go up to a 911 next. But that's in the future. I've got this for now, and this is going to be a fun little car. So first one, it's a Porsche. Second one, I mean, you have to love the dials, don't you? Look, how can you not like a backwards rev counter? I mean, this is pure 1980s at its best, really, isn't it? I mean, most cars these days don't have all these gauges. So, the second thing I love about this car is just how cool it is. How retro, how cool. So, moving swiftly on to the third thing I love about this is that it's a little sports car from the 80s, but I can take to, I mean, you have to have very small legs, and luckily me, I'm only 5'6". My wife, she's about the same, and our gals, as you can guess, are not going to be gifted in the height section. So they're going to be able to fit into those little 2 bucket seats, and the 4 of us can go out for a family drive. Now I know the 911 has the same, and that's one of the best things about Porsches, is they've designed the car that you can still take family out in. So yeah, that's another thing I love about this car. One thing I'm going to love, but possibly hate, is this has got electrics. I mean, it's 80s Porsche, so hopefully it's not going to be bad. I mean, I've had Range Rovers, and we know how bad they are. We've got electric windows. We've got electric mirrors. They're about somewhere. Yes. Here is the thing. I can't remember how you adjust them. I can't remember. I really can't. But there's a button there that definitely does for the mirrors, and then I can't remember. I really can't remember. See? Where can it be? Please put in the comments if you know how I adjust my wing mirrors, because I've completely forgotten. And then one thing that I'm going to love in the summer about this car is the roof panel comes out. Yeah, not just pops up, it can do, but not just pops up, it comes completely out. And I'm going to put it in the boot, and we can drive round with the sun beating in like a tiger. So that is for now the 5 things that I like best about my Porsche 924. Please comment down below what you like best about your car, your Porsche, your 924. Please like, comment and subscribe, and you're going to see this beauty go from the state that it is now and the cracks to the wonderful Porsche that it is. So anyway, have a good one. See you next time.